guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a new video because it's a time of festivals and that's why I'll be showing 3 festive ethnic looks. You might wanna try them for Diwali or other upcoming festivals because these looks are really easy peasy and easy to create and really practical. So yeah, let's get started. For the first look, I chose a beautiful Georgette Patola sari in fuchsia pink and mango orange with beautiful gold borders. I thought this sari would be perfect for festivals like Diwali. I draped this sari as semi-lehenga and kept the pallu flat on the shoulder to give this slight difference from the conventional sari look. That's why I decided to go for matching western gold statement earrings instead of some traditional jhumkas, and I must say this slight difference took this look to another level. I left my hair open with center partition and very minimal makeup with glam just to make this look easy and cool. For the second look, I did some DIY. I decided to wear a lehenga because it's one of the most popular Indian ethnic dresses. But lehenga I had was heavy and I wanted to wear something lighter and something new. So I experimented and matched 3 different pieces from 3 different outfits. The bottom is one of lehenga and the blouse is from a sari set and dupatta I took from a set of salwar kameez. So they matched really well together and it worked for this look. And I paired this DIY outfit with the same statement earrings which I wore in first look with some heels. This look is ready. For this look, I chose an Indo-Western Arabian dress. This set has one beautiful gown with geometric designs over it and 6 slits all around, which beautifies this gown even more. In bottom, this set has a really beautiful maxi skirt and it comes with a beautiful dupatta. This look is really beautiful, easy to carry and great option over heavy lehenga, desi salwar kameez or a conventional sari. So, and also a long gown with a maxi skirt longes the figure really well. And yeah, I paired this beautiful set with again some beautiful statement earrings, big round rings and a pair of heels. I just tied my hair in bun, which I really don't know how to do perfectly, but yeah, I think it worked. So yeah, that's it. This is it for today's video guys. I hope you guys really liked and enjoyed watching my video. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe and blah blah blah. Just kidding. And happy Diwali in advance, and yeah, we'll come again with the new content. Till then, bye bye.